Hi Trumpets, thanks for tuning in again. Today, we're going to work on Accent Book 1, page number 18. In the upper left-hand corner of page 18 is the note B flat, and the 1 underneath represents the first valve for this note. In the center of the page is the term flat, and that means to lower the pitch of a note by a half step. Finally, on the right-hand side, it says key signature. When you see a key signature in a piece of music that has a flat at the beginning of each line, that means that all Bs should be played B flat throughout the entire song. Let's practice our B flats with exercise number 60, another new note. And 1, 2, ready, and. Great job! Did you remember your B flats? Let's try it one more time. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, begin. And be sure to hold your notes for their full value. That last whole note, 4 whole counts. Next up is an Irish folk song that has a key signature with 1 flat, B flat. It's the key of concert concert E flat major or F major for the trumpet. This piece is in 3/4 time, so we're going to be counting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Join me. Number 61, When Love is Kind. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, play. Well done! Next up is a song by Johannes Brahms. It's the theme from his Symphony No. 1. This exercise has a first and second ending. Make sure you repeat back and play that second ending the second time. I'll give you the pickup counting like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then we'll begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Did you remember the second ending? Well, if you didn't and you made that tiny mistake, it's okay. Simply pause the video, rewind it a bit, and try it a second time. Those first and second endings are important, especially when you add it to a band song. Next up is one of my favorite songs on this page because it's from the island of Hawaii. It's Aloha O, and it's 2 lines of music. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready, set, begin. How did you do on that song? Well, if you had some mistakes or if you forgot the B flat fingering, go ahead and play it again. Practice makes perfect, and practice makes things permanent too. So make sure you're practicing it correctly. Next up is a Ukrainian folk song called Minka Minka. It's really a duet because it has a clapping part on the B line. So let's practice playing part A together. Watch out for our B flats and another note. Notice the F sharp in measure 3 and 4 and measure 7. All of the Fs in Minka Minka are sharp. So we've got a B flat and an F sharp throughout. Here we go. Ready? 1 and 2 and ready and go. Now try clapping part B while I play part A. And 1, 2, ready and go. Next, we'll move on to our last exercise, which is an accent on theory. The instrument you'll need will actually be a pencil. It says key rings. Circle all the notes changed by the key signature. In our first example, on the left-hand side, well, there is no key signature, so there's nothing to circle there. But in the middle of line 65, there is a key signature with one flat, B flat. Circle your B flat notes in that exercise. And then finally, at the end of the line is an F sharp in the key signature. Circle your F notes. And until I see you next time, keep practicing.